Well, it looks like the health and the future of World Supercross is in jeopardy. Let's be put bluntly like that. If you haven't seen any of the rumors or anything going around for the last few days, apparently the next two rounds, supposedly Singapore and Germany, are being cancelled, with Canada being shaky at best. So that means one round already cancelled this year, two more rounds may be cancelled, and apparently the funding and capital and funding partners pulling out, which means Supercross or WSX might be in a little bit of money problems. Obviously, big money for people like Ken Roxon, who just got the contract to, hey, we're going to have him, don't worry about it. But also a lot of money going to smaller guys, privateers that are going to go to teams and get to race for a better funded team, something a little bit more than the privateer contract or privateer, I don't know, whatever you want to say it, privateer life that they've been living. It is kind of sad, but it's kind of one of those things that try to grow too fast. Obviously, with the two rounds they had last year, it was kind of cool. It was a little break thing, and you got some fun little races between a couple people. But trying to go from a two-round series to, what was it, 7 or 8, whatever they were trying to do, being a full series going up against, the GPs and the Nationals, and then, I don't know. To me, it seemed like taking, one step going to 5 steps. If it was something that was in the off season where privateer guys could go and they had to, they could lure some of the bigger names with some big checks, and it was kind of cool, especially if it's going to be a world thing. But when you go from something small that was a 2-round thing and kind of like, oh, this is okay, to a full series that's competing with already established series and things that have big money, big sponsors and everything, I don't know. If it works, it works. And there is they put out their most non-statement of anything ever. If I read this right, it was 8/24/23. The following is a statement from SX Global regarding the 2023 FIM World Supercross Championship. We're aware of the rumors circulating over the past 24 hours regarding the FIM World Supercross Championship and its 2023 rounds. While we can't provide specific information today, we will be sharing significant news soon regarding the 2023 racing schedule, together with positive future developments that support the championship series. We have been in consistent communication with teams and owners who have been highly supportive. We look forward to the 2023 championship rounds finishing strongly with hotly contested racing, determining who will be crowned the 2023 blah 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 November in. Yeah. Of course, that's the most statement. Hey, we've got some things, we've heard the rumors, but we're not going to tell you anything yet, and something in the future might be coming out. So, I don't know. You tell me. Do you think it's dead? Do you think it, survives this year and then maybe comes back next year a little bit better? They have a better funding. They have a better laid out plan. I don't know what you want to call it. Or is it something that is just dead in the water? Run before you walk kind of thing. But in the comments below, you tell me. Again, dead, coming back, they're fine. This is all rumors and nothing matters. Or whatever you want to say. Just comment down below. And as you're down there, like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.